Hello, my name is Robert West. Today I'm going to show you a few different ways on how to dismount a tire from a rim. The first way I'll be demonstrating is the tire iron bars. First, you want to lube the edges of your tire after getting the tire offset from the beads. Now you're going to want to place both tires in underneath the top layer of the rubber and step across to pull the tire off the tire rim. Then take one bar out and place across the other side and do the same step all the way across until you get the tire off the rim. After you get the first side of the tire off the rim, go ahead and lift the tire and use the weight of the rim itself to pull the other side of the tire off the rim. Just like so. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Blue Cobra tire bar. First, insert the mouth of the Cobra down below the inner rim of the tire. Then step across as with the tire bars. Be sure to use lubrication to help make this process go easier. Now, after the first lip is down, go ahead and stick the mouth down into the second half of the tire and lift back. If needed, you can use a small tire bar to help pull the tire off. Now to reset the tire, just use your body weight to help put the outer lip of the tire around the rim. Now to get the inner rim of the tire, use a tire bar to help force it on with the help of your weight. Stepping around the tire helps to get with your body weight to help place the tire back onto the rim. Voila.